We are really proud of being Sri Lankans because we have an ancient heritage called water civilization. In this water civilization, if we just take this small tank heritage alone, we have about 14,000, more than 14,000 small tanks, 13,000 plus small anicuts, and these are really well organized in form of tank clusters and anicut clusters. Now these clusters are really blessed with the landscape and also rainfall. And the blend of this physical and environmental wisdom formed a place to live in harmony with nature. That is really called tank clusters or tank cascades, or in Sinhala, Elanga. Now in this really these tank clusters are really sharing water from top to the bottom, feeding lot of command areas where we get paddy lands, and also the people are living around, and it has formed a good ecosystem we call tank ecosystem, where you get lot of environmental components which are really ensuring the sustainability of this system. And we found that in these cascades, the water movement is the determining factor. But also, when you take one or two or three clusters of tanks together, two or three cascades together, there is another relationship in laterally. For example, people are sharing their resources, people are sharing their all grievances, people are having a lot of other relationships like marriage. Then it has been knitted into one system that is called cascade, tank cascade system complex. Now here we have this sustainable system for more than 1,000 years. Now really the present situation is really not that much encouraging because of the lot of population increase and lot of other factors like soil erosion from the upper part. It has been sedimented. In many tanks, we will see that 1/3 of that volume has been sedimented. So that the whole efficiency of the water storing in this tank system is deteriorated. And also the environment around the tank we call tank ecosystem, which consists of upstream tree belt, that is Gaskummana, and that will really cut off the advection of wind, which will really take water this away from the tank, evaporation. Then the sedimented flow will get trapped in the upstream water hole, that is called Godavala. Then there is a filtering area which will really filter all these sediments, and also once it is stored in the tank, it's really pure, crystal clear water. People really in those days they used to drink this water. That's pure, and it has not been polluted in any way. And also once it goes through the tank bund, it will really contain some sort of elements like sodium, potassium, ferric and calcium, magnesium, which has to be filtered before it enters into the paddy field. Otherwise it will get burned, the crop will get burned. So that they have another reservation downstream with the tree belt again. So it's a tree cordon which will really protect the whole water body. And it has a lot of other diverse factors like faunal diversity, floral diversity, and also the uses of this for human beings. It is really prepared for a lot of services, like it has really minimized the impact of natural disasters like cyclone, drought, flood, epidemics, etc. And also it provides a lot of food, fruits and vegetables, medicinal trees, and also a lot of other small implements. They can be really made out of these trees and branches. And also on top of that, people really need a good mind to live. For that it really provides aesthetic beauty of this system, whether it's irrespective of the rainfall pattern or the season. It can be dry season, it can be wet season. Everywhere you see very nice sceneries in this system. So people have a lot of things. One is the physical dimension of that, which will really ensure the sustainability of the system. The other one is environmental dimension. The third one, which we cannot understand, is the spiritual dimension, which really ensures the sustainability for a long time in this system. So when we see the collapse of this system, it is really due to human activities, human interventions. Like we use lot of lands for cultivation, which will really create sedimentation, and also we have polluted water, air, everything with chemicals. And now with the introduction of green revolution, this system has been collapsed forever. So we have the right to conserve that now, and it will be really a gift for our next generation.